Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe. Today I will tell you how we can draw and write with pen in MS Office. Okay. First of all, you can see here I open MS Office Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay. Let's home, insert, draw, design, transition, animation, slide, etc. And here you can see draw these options. This I already activated. Okay, here I will show you here how to draw. I am selecting this options. You can see here pen, highlighter, scale, etc. Okay, and here I want to draw. I want pen. This pen I want. Okay, simply this my new page. I want to draw here. Okay, taking pen, and this I want to choose the size. Okay, I select it. Now I want to write here. You can see this one. Okay, I don't want this one. I want another one. This pen. Okay, here I will. Okay, and this black pen. Okay, 2, 5, 0. Okay, and I want to highlight. I can use highlighter. This black. I change the color. You can, and now we can use eraser also. This eraser I want to erase this one also, highlight also, and this one also I want to erase. Sometimes we need this one to highlight something and to show something. Okay, here for example I am teaching here. I want to circle to the students. Click, simply I can do this. Click. Okay, and other pins we can use. So how we can activate this option? Let's come to the file, then come to options. Okay, and come here to customize options, ribbon, customize ribbon, and here you can say draw this one. Okay, these options we have here, draw. Okay, you can use here this draw. You can activate this already activated here. It's already activated from here. Activate and then click OK. Only you can use this one. Okay, now I activated already. Then I will OK, click, and you can select anything here. This one. Okay, you want to select anything like this. Okay, you can select. I want to delete this one. I want to use eraser. Okay, erase, stroke eraser, erase, finish, finish. Okay, and finish also. Okay, and any program if you want to download this one in MS PowerPoint, MS Word, MS Excel, anyone you can use this option. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. If you are new in my channel, you can subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi